Hi guys, Retrocengo here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I talked about building my Amiga 2000, my dream Amiga 2000. I have few Amiga 2000 systems, but I'm gonna make a fast one that I'm gonna use with WHD.gaming. And I got asked about the progress of that machine and all that. Well, I had some trouble with the keyboard. And I opened it, and the only thing that I had to do was clean those black spots with some alcohol, guys. Now the keyboard works, so I can work and focus on my Amiga 2000. That was the first thing. The other problem I had with it was, as you can see here, this one says frame Amiga 2000. You can see here the push buttons, some of the places they're black. Up at the corner here, F5, and down here it's black. And that's mainly because the keys were missing. And all the places you pop the keys on were broken off, and they were just missing. So I took F10 from here. I have this donor Amiga 500 keyboard. I have a almost complete donor Amiga 500 that I use some parts from. It was in a donor condition when I got it. It's missing the top cover, it's missing some chips and all that, but the motherboard works. So I hate to destroy an Amiga, and I'm gonna make that donor Amiga complete again somehow. But I took some keys. I took the space because it was yellowed, and as you can see, this one's a tad yellowed. Now this one is not clean yet, but it's a tad yellowed. That's because this key was this one with a screw through. So now I got the proper keys, and I just want to say that you can actually use a complete keyboard from an Amiga 500 frame, I think, because you can see here they're all the same. The only difference I have noticed is on the Amiga 2000 frame, it's got this little thingy over here, and that's not on the Amiga 500. So guys, just a little update. I'm working on it. As you can see, I'm gonna clean everything. I'm gonna clean the drives. I'm gonna show you everything, and it's coming up soon, guys. So I just want to say thank you for asking. Thank you for, I don't know, keeping tracks on my videos. It's an amazing feeling. It really warms my heart that you remember what I said 2 weeks ago. You asked me a question, how's it going and all that, show interest and all that. It's an awesome feeling. So thank you guys. And in the meantime, let's check out a few games here. Until next time, have some fun guys. Bye.